What's up, everybody? It's me, Imani, your hopeless romantic, and it's wash day. And I have brand new goodies from TGIN. This is their Curls and Roses line. It's brand new and exclusively at Ulta Beauty. So if you have kinky curls, you know sometimes it can be difficult to keep your hair hydrated and not frizzy. I kind of like a little bit of frizz, but I'm willing to put these products to the test. So I'm about to have my entire wash day with these and see what I can come up with. Here we go. Alright, good people, I'm back. I'm finished. This is my finished look. And I just want to, go through each product and explain my experience with them, give you all a full review. You've seen me take my wash day from start to finish. Now let's dig into the specifics of each product. So I started with the Rosewater Sulfate Free Hydrating Shampoo. This thing says hydrating shampoo, and it is hydrating shampoo. I low-key could have used this without conditioner. I feel like that's kind of taboo, but when I washed my hair, I rinsed my hair like 4 times thinking that there was still shampoo in my hair because the way my hair felt was so soft, like there was still products in it, and I didn't even have to use a lot. Like, look, normally I have to use a lot of shampoo to get where I'm going. Did not even have to use a lot. Sorry, the top broke off in transit, but it's amazing. I love it. It smells wonderful. So the next product that I used was the TGIN Hydrating Hair Mask, the Rosewater Hydrating Hair Mask. I used this like deep conditioner. So I shampooed my hair and then I sectioned my hair off and detangled with this, and then just left it. Put it on a processing cap and left it. Amazing. My hair felt so soft and bouncy. Then the leave-in conditioner, I really enjoyed this because sometimes leave-in conditioners leave like a film on my hair that I don't like. Like I like for my hair to be moisturized and everything, but I don't like for it to feel like there's buildup on my hair. And my hair is very thick, so this was good. It left me moisturized without that, like, it's like a waxy film sometimes that I get from a leave-in, and this is not it. I really enjoyed the way this made my hair feel. So these two products, the curl defining mousse and the curl defining styling gel, I don't typically use gels in my hair because I like fluffy hair. I'm not really a smooth hair type of person. So I only used a little of this on the ends, but I used this to twist my hair along with the leave-in conditioner. So I used the leave-in conditioner like a curl cream almost, and then added the mousse. And with a little bit of gel on the end, amazing. No flakes. Like when I fluff my hair, y'all don't see nothing flying off the top of my head, right? It's great. Now, here's the real kicker, because I'm shook. All right, I'm shook. The products have me shook. I don't really know how to receive what has taken place on top of my head following the use of these products. Like, I'm very impressed. And I know, like, yes, I was given these products to try out for review, but I don't ever lie about products that I use. That is not something I want to do because I don't want to mislead anyone. I'm dead serious when I say that I love these. I can't wait to continue using them. So here's the real kicker. I had to film this video in sections, right? I filmed the first part of it yesterday. I filmed the second part of it where I did my twist takedown today. And I filmed the third part of it, well, earlier today. And then I filmed the third part of it right now. This is what I'm doing right now, the final part of it where my hair is done. I've been outside in the rain, y'all. Anybody with tight curls who has ever had like a twist out or whatever, y'all know our hair swells up at the slightest bit of humidity. And I live in Florida, so this humidity is not anything to play with. This is not your regular average run-of-the-mill humidity. This is good old Florida hurricane weather humidity. And look, like, the volume did increase, which I love because I love a volume heavy twist out. But I mean, it's still clear that I have a hairstyle. Like, it didn't completely ruin my hair. My hair is not totally frizzy. Like, I don't know what else I'm supposed to say besides I love this stuff. I love it. I love it. I'm so proud that I got a chance to use it ahead of time, I guess. I'm so happy that I now have an entire line of products to obsess over again. I'm just, TGIN, you guys, you did your thing. You did the things. And on the list of things that you did, at the very top of that list is that, because you did that. If you would like to try out this Curls and Roses line from TGIN, it is exclusively available at Ulta Beauty. So head on over to Ulta, get you the products from this line. If you, I mean, y'all know I advocate for it. Only listen to me if your hair is like mine, or if something I said resonated with you. If you feel like you need a lot of moisture in your routine, this is the line for you. If you feel like your hair is too greasy, maybe not. Like maybe if your hair is too moisturized, you don't want to use this. But I don't really know too many people with too much moisture going on in their hair. But you know, if you have real thick, tight curls, and you have trouble keeping your hair moisturized, I'm going to venture to say that I'm still going to be good by tomorrow. And I'm not weighed down. It's not heavy. It's still light and fluffy the way I like it. And you still have the potential to get a super defined curl with this gel. You really do. So whether you like your hair fluffy like mine or you like it defined coily, the tools are here. The tools are in the box. You have what it takes to make that happen. And just go get it. Like, I'm serious. Go out and get it. I'm sorry I don't have a promo code or anything, but it'll be worth the purchase. I promise. Thank you for watching this video. If you're new here, like, comment, subscribe, share with your friends. That's it. Thanks, guys. See you next time.